Okay, welcome back at the Cessna home cockpit. Today we're going to do another flight, trying to do another flight from Maastricht Aachen Airport, a VFR flight to Spa, or perhaps to Liège, I don't know, I'll have to make the flight plan. But I'm going to do it with Pilot2ATC. I downloaded a Pilot2ATC command script, and I have it on my iPad right next to me, so I'm going to test out if it works better than the flight yesterday. I've also downloaded some scripts which you can use for VFR flights, and I hope it worked out fine. So first I'll have to start the plane. Master switch on, battery on, fuel pump on, prime the engine. Okay, fuel pump off, beacon was on. And engine is running. Okay, avionics on. And we are connected to Pilot2ATC. It's green, and now we'll make the flight plan. It's a VFR flight. First waypoint has to be Echo Hotel Bravo Kilo. That's where we are located. And I think we'll fly to Liège. That's in Belgium, and that's the second waypoint. And that's Echo Bravo Lima Golf. Enter. Now I validate the flight plan. It's 21 nautical miles. I'll export the flight plan. And now I'll have to flight plan. Clear, menu, delete flight plan. This is the old flight. Enter. Okay. Flight plan. Oh, we have no flight plan selected. There are the flight plans, and we have to check the third one. Echo Hotel Bravo Kilo to Echo Bravo Lima Golf. We enter it. So the flight plan is loaded in the Garmin. Now we have to file the flight plan to ATC. And we are ready to communicate. When I check the iPad, I see the first page is ready to taxi. Cold call, I should say ground, and she should say call sign, this is ground, go ahead. Now let's try this out. I have to set the right frequency, and the Dutch control is 128.35, so we already are on 128.35. so if everything is right, we should be able to contact the tower. I don't have the push button of the PTT button installed on my yoke, so I'll have to do it with the keyboard. It's right next to me. Let's try. I'm going to ask contact ground. Ground 172 Sierra Papa.
172 Sierra Papa, this is center, go ahead.
So that works. Ground 172 Sierra Papa, ready to taxi. Ground 172 Sierra Papa, ready to taxi. I don't think she understands that. I'll switch to tower. That's 119.47. 119.47. Let's see if she recognizes this. 172 Sierra Papa, ready to taxi.
172 Sierra Papa, taxi to runway 21 via taxiways 278. Hold short runway 21.
Taxi to runway 21 via taxiways 278. Hold short runway 21 Cessna to Sierra Papa. So we can start taxiing. Parking brake off. As you can see, I did some alignment work on the screens. From my point of view, they look better, but I have to check the cameras if they are better lined up than before. So that's only for me to see when I watch the video back. So we'll have to wait here, hold short. Before entering runway. Tower 172 Sierra Papa, holding short on runway 3, ready for departure to remain in pattern.
172 Sierra Papa, winds are 190 at 8 knots, altimeter 2947, cleared for takeoff. Runway 03, fly a left-hand pattern for touch and goes on runway 03, remain on this frequency.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 03. Fly a left-hand pattern for touch and goes, runway 03. Will stay with you, Cessna 2 Sierra Papa. So we are cleared for takeoff. Must say I'm getting used to Pilot2ATC, and it is a very nice addition to the sim. Wondering if X-Plane 11 will get default, when the default ATC will be renewed. I read somewhere there will be a new version, but so far Pilot2ATC is all that I need. turn. 172 Sierra Papa has field in sight.
172 Sierra Papa, continue approach, winds are 190 at 8 knots, cleared to land runway 03.
Clear to land runway 03, Cessna 2 Sierra Papa.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa, squawk 1200.
Oh, I have to set my squawk to 1200. also thinking about buying a new yoke, and I was wondering if there are some viewers who have experience with the flight illusion yoke. I saw one a couple of days ago on a Dutch flight sim exposition. It looked great, and well, I'm thinking of getting one. It's a force feedback yoke, it has a great feel, but I can't find any information on it on the internet, only the side of the manufacturer obviously. But if someone has the yoke, please contact me and we can share some experience. It is about 1400 euros, so it's more expensive than the Yoko yoke, but it's force feedback and it seems like a great addition to the sim. Oh, we're back on final. One 720 Papa, request touch and go, runway 03.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa exit runway when able.
Well, we didn't get permission, I think. So clear of active Cessna 2 Sierra Papa. One 72 Sierra Papa, request landing. One 72 Sierra Papa has field in sight.
172 Sierra Papa, you are darkly. Please say again.
One 72 Sierra Papa has field in sight.
172 Sierra Papa, continue approach winds are 190 and 8 knots, clear to land runway 03.
Clear to land runway 03, Cessna 2 Sierra Papa. One 72 Sierra Papa, say the numbers.
172 Sierra Papa, Osprey Cockpit is reporting overcast. Visibility is unrestricted, winds are 190 and 8 knots. Current altimeter is 2947. Advising runway 21, left traffic.
Thank you, Cessna 2 Sierra Papa. Steep turn. By no means perfect, but that's why I'm looking for another yoke.
Cessna 2 Sierra Papa exit runway when able.
Was controlling the sim with the show. It's the default Cytec Cessna yoke, very difficult. And once again illegal on the runway. So let's say clear of active Cessna 2 Sierra Papa. So we're back. Let's switch the avionics off. Thanks again for watching. So if anyone has a flight illusion yoke, please contact me, then we can share some information experience, and hope to see you soon all. Bye bye.